Competition brings out the best in products and the worst in people. It's not the will to win that matters, everyone has that. It's the will to prepare to win that matters. Competition is not only the basis of protection to the consumer, but is the incentive to progress. Do your work with your whole heart, and you will succeed. There's so little competition. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Competition is always a good thing. It forces us to do our best. The biggest competition is myself. I am not looking to follow others or pull them down. I'm planning to test my own boundaries. When you compete with someone as good or better than you, you may not always win, but you never lose. The more you can dream, the more you can do. The healthy competition for mutual gain is how you get the best of the best. The healthy competition for mutual gain is how you get the best of the best. The only competition worthy of a wise man is with himself. Winning isn't everything, but wanting to win is. The man who can drive himself further once the effort gets painful is the man who will win. Competition is a process or variety of habitual behavior that grows out of a habit of mind. You are never really playing an opponent. You are playing yourself, your own highest standards. And when you reach your limits, that is a real joy. In business, the competition will bite you if you keep running. If you stand still, they will swallow you.